Unlock incredible savings on your favorite Nike gear with these insider tips for scoring discounts directly on the Nike app. First, make sure you're a Nike member. Signing up is free and unlocks exclusive benefits. Head to the Account tab. Then tap Membership here. You'll find access to birthday rewards, early access to new releases, and often member-only discounts that aren't available to everyone else. Next, let's talk promo codes. Keep an eye out for seasonal sales and special events, as these are prime times for Nike to release coupon codes. You can often find these advertised directly within the app on the homepage or in the offers section. Also, consider following Nike on social media and signing up for their email newsletters, as they frequently share these valuable codes there. When you're ready to check out, simply tap the shopping bag icon, then proceed to checkout. You'll see a field labeled Add Promo Code or similar. Enter your valid code here, and watch your savings automatically apply. Don't miss out on major seasonal sales. Events like the Black Friday sale, end-of-season clearances, and holiday promotions are your goldmine for significant discounts. The Nike app will clearly advertise these events, often with banners and dedicated sales sections. Browse these sections to find items already marked down, and then combine those savings with any applicable promo codes for maximum impact. By combining your Nike membership benefits, actively seeking out and applying promo codes, and strategically shopping during seasonal sales, you can significantly reduce the cost of your next Nike purchase. Happy saving!